Today we'll be unboxing the Regis in Bourneville color by Blake Hedley. If you guys are looking for a high quality shearling leather jacket that is stylish, warm, and at a very reasonable price point, you guys gotta check out Blake Hedley. I previously made an unboxing video and a 1-year review on the Buckley, and that's when I absolutely fell in love with the brand. So now, especially when it's winter and it's cold, looking for a shearling jacket, gotta check out Blake Hedley. Before we dive into the unboxing, if you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate if you guys went down and smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, and be sure to watch to the very end of this video as I'll be giving you guys an on-body look of the jacket. Sometimes photos on the websites don't do it justice, or you don't know the sizing or what it really looks like or how to dress it. I'll be showing you all of that at the end of the video, so be sure to stick around. If you guys do decide to purchase a jacket from Blake Hedley, be sure to let me know in the comments down below that you watched my video and helped you made a really good decision, and be sure to let Blake Hedley know that my video helped you make a decision on buying one of their jackets. It'll help me out and help them out a ton. Without further ado, let's dive right into the unboxing. First off, let's talk about the box. I absolutely love the box that Blake Hedley sends their jacket in. It's so simple, plain and white box all around, no logos, no nothing. And that's what I like about it. It's just simple. But let's see what's inside and give you guys the first look as always. You guys ready or not? Here it comes. You see it? Whoa. So I really like this about Blake Hedley. Really pays attention to the small details. They have this really nice paper protecting the jacket as it ships, and on this paper it just says Blake Hedley, United Kingdom. Unveil it. You guys ready? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Just touching the outside of this jacket, it is so nice and soft. That lambskin leather on the outside. Let me go ahead and take it out and show you guys. Look at this jacket. Upon opening it, just feeling this jacket for the first time, it is so soft, and that smell of fresh leather just hits you in the face. It's just so nice. One thing that I really like about the Regis and why I chose this jacket is that it has this asymmetrical zipper, which I really like. That I think not a lot of jackets out there have a style like that, so that's a big reason why I chose this jacket. And another reason why I love Blake Hedley so much is that the shearling on the inside is so nice and soft. Here, let me go ahead and open it and show you guys. And it's not just shearling on the collar, but it's shearling throughout the whole jacket. So you see it's shearling all the way through, not just the collar. So this is a jacket that's gonna keep you very warm, especially in the winter months, the cold times when it's snowing. This is a jacket that's gonna keep you very warm. Like I said earlier, a big reason why I love Blake Hedley so much is the high quality materials that they use. Starting with the outside of the jacket, it is a lambskin leather. So if you guys don't know, different types of leather is softer or harder, and for lambskin leather, it is the softest. So this is a jacket that doesn't need any break-in period at all. Sometimes if you get cow leather or other types of horse leather, they're very stiff and hard. It takes months of wearing just to break in. You'd be wearing it and it's so stiff, you can't even cross your arms or answer the phone or drink a cup of coffee, but that is not gonna be a problem at all with this lambskin leather. And on the inside, you can see it uses the lambskin shearling, not just on the collar, but throughout the entire jacket. So this is gonna keep you warm, and when you put it on, it's gonna feel like a blanket, nice and comfy, but at the same time, it's gonna keep you warm, all right? On the inside of the left pocket, it says Blake Hedley, United Kingdom. A good way to check whether a leather jacket is high quality or not is by checking the zippers or the hardware. And Blake Hedley uses YKK zippers, which is the industry standards. They're nice and sturdy and they won't be breaking anytime soon. And the buckles that you can tell, they're just high quality. Look at that, just the way you feel. And this collar is using nice leather. You can tell from the buckles that they didn't skimp out on using cheap metals or anything. This is nice hardware, you can tell right here. So overall, I am very happy with this jacket. Blake Hedley uses high quality materials from the inside of the shearling, outside leather, the zippers, the buckles, you can tell. This is a very nice champagne color shearling, as that's what they call it. But let's go ahead and put it on, all right? Let's see what it looks like on body. Ooh, that feels nice. Fits me perfectly. Look at that. The sleeves comes right up to my hands. If you guys are wondering about size, I am 5'8", 185 pounds, and I got an extra large jacket. I've gotten a lot of leather jackets over the years, and I realize it's 1,000 times better to have a jacket that's a little bit bigger than a jacket that's too small. So for me, I'm extra large, and this fits perfectly. I love the extra room, especially when I wear it, there's a little bit extra room. If I wanted to layer up, I have that option to layer up. However, if you did get a jacket that's too small, it's gonna be tight on you and you won't even be able to layer up. So, my advice to all of you guys, if you guys are looking for a leather jacket, you don't know the size, I would highly recommend going a little bit bigger, and if it's a little bit looser on the body, you can layer up. You're able to move around so freely. Like I said, this is a jacket that no break-in period is required. Some other leathers, such as cow leather, horse leather, is very stiff. Having a jacket like this, no break-in period required, is huge to me. I can wear this and be comfortable and not having to break it in. Where other jackets, I might have to wear months at a time just to feel comfortable. But this, right out of the box, feels comfortable on body already. You guys might be wondering, what is the price on this lambskin shearling leather jackets? If you guys don't know, leather jackets can cost quite a bit. Shearling leather jackets can cost even more. Sometimes it goes into the price range of $800, $1,000, even $1,400, $1,500. However, this jacket right here, the Regis in Bourneville color, is only $600, which is not a bad deal at all. I still understand $600 is quite a bit of money, but this is a jacket that you're not only gonna wear one season. This is definitely a jacket that you're gonna be wearing many, many years down the road, and maybe a jacket you can even give to your kids. What's nice about leather jackets is the more you wear it, the more it molds to your body. It fits you like a glove. Now, another thing with leather jackets like this is the more you wear it, the better it's gonna look. The leather is gonna patina, it's gonna build characteristics, so it's gonna look a lot nicer than when you first get it. So this is a jacket, like I said, you're not gonna just wear one season. You're gonna be wearing it for many years. So a jacket like that is gonna cost a little bit more, but only for $600 is not a bad deal at all, compared to some of the other shearling leather jackets out there. But let's go ahead and outside and let's show you guys how I'm gonna dress this out on body to give you guys a full look of what the Regis jacket looks like. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed that on-body look of the Regis by Blake Hedley. Just wearing it for a short period of time, I gotta say, I absolutely love this jacket. Some of the key features I fell in love with is the shearling on the inside. It is so nice and comfortable. It is so soft. I also really love the lambskin outer, which makes me able to move so freely. Like I said, other jackets, there are break-in period required, but having a jacket with no break-in period is awesome, alright? Another thing that I really love about this jacket is the asymmetrical zipper. I think that's super unique. I haven't seen it on many other jackets, especially shearling leather jackets. So to have it on here, I really like that asymmetrical side zipper. So if you guys are looking for an awesome, warm, reasonable price Shearling leather jacket, be sure to check out Blake Hedley on their Instagram at BlakeHedley_. Let them know Michael Shu sent you. And if you do decide to purchase a jacket, please let me know in the comments below my video helped you out, and let them know that you watched my video and I sent you. Tell them I said hi. I think they'd really appreciate that. But that's gonna be it for this video. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Thank you everyone for watching my videos and supporting me. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video, all right? Stay safe everyone. Go get yourself an awesome jacket. Bye.